In this video, I will show you how to trade Forex as a beginner who don't know anything in Forex. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to place your first trade and make money immediately. Also, to prove to you, currently on a journey to turn $6 to $50,000, and today is day 8 of the challenge. However, if you come to my X page, right on my X page, this is my verified X page with over 1,900 followers, and if you're not yet following me, you can go ahead and follow to as well see what the journey is. So you can see this is the official channel which you're watching this video with by Bernard, so make sure you subscribe. So however, today is day 8. 2 hours ago I made a post, full TP on USD JPY, slow motion is better than no motion, and you can see I had this setup basically right here on USD JPY, which you are seeing right here, and right here it hits full TP, right? And this is for day 8, and right now I'm up 164. So on for day 7, if you watch right here, I was $46, and right now I had a setup on Ethereum, and you can see the Ethereum setup, and right here is up also on profit. If I also go right here down below, you want to see this is day 6, and right now you can see I was up $50, and I had a full TP on GBP card. And right now you want to see the setup, and you can see the full TP, right? And this is also day 5. I also have a sell setup on USD JPY, and you can see I was $25, and right here was the setup, and this is the full TP, and this keep on going up until day 1. And if you look basically on day 1, I literally use $6 right now to start this journey. And trust me guys, I said I want to flip this $6 to $50,000, and currently I'm sitting at $200 plus in 8 days of me of this challenge. And guys, this is to tell you that whatever I'm going to show you in this particular video will work 100%, because if you are certain to implement, watch this video to the end, avoid any distraction, and as well take action immediately after watching this video, you will start making money from the Forex industry. And at the end of this video, I'll be crediting 5 random people $10 to as well start their Forex trading, and I'm going to get you through how to as well claim this gift from me if you watch this video to the end, because there is something I'm going to say, and that way will lead you to how to get this gift from me. So with that said, first thing first, for you to get started trading Forex, you're going to be needing a few tools, and these tools works both on mobile and also on your PC. Basically this video going to be on mobile from A to Z, so that even if you don't have a PC or a newbie who is broke, you can as well leverage with what you have, take action, and start making money on Forex. And the tools you're going to be needing are that of TradingView, MT5, and also a broker to fund the MT5. And finally the trading will begin, and we are going to be walking you through with a mobile phone from A to Z. And if that interests you, please guys, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what level you are in Forex trading. Either you're the newbie, intermediate, or you are an advanced trader watching this particular video. So I know the category my audience watching this video really follow. So without further ado, before I go in depth on showing you everything step by step, click by click, I know a lot of you all watching this video know what Forex is, but most people also, a newbie, don't still know what Forex is. So a bit intro what Forex is all about. However, Forex, which is a short form for foreign exchange, is a market where either you're buying or selling currencies. However, in the Forex market, you don't own anything. You are either literally bidding that one price is going to go up, or you're bidding another price is going to go down. Example, imagine exchanging dollar to euro or yen when you travel, and that is how Forex is all about. And there is trillions of dollars traded in the Forex industry every 24 hours from Monday to Friday, and there are a lot of pairs to trade up, which you can get in hand on TradingView with your mobile phone, and I will show you that really quick. And now if you don't have a TradingView, to get a TradingView, all you need to do, depending on the mobile device you're using, is to go to your App Store, your Play Store, and then search TradingView. And I'm going to show you how you can also get an MT5 and how you can also get the best broker. We'll get into using the TradingView and also place a trade in this particular video. Right, so right in your Apple Store, so depending on the device you're using, be it Apple, be it Android Play Store, Trading View is available on all the devices. I'm going to search Trading View, which is it. So once I search on Trading View, all I have to do is to go ahead and download. And if it's your first time, you're going to show download right there, and you go ahead and download. And if I click on open, this is what the Trading View going to look like basically. However, for MT5 trader, all you want to do is to go ahead and also click on download, and if I click on open, it's gonna look something like this: $0, everything, nothing is happening. So all you have to do is to go ahead and fund the MT5, right? So I'm going to guide you through what to do, the broker to use to fund the MT5, and then we'll go to the next step on how to analyze, and also go ahead and place a trade. Right? Makes sense. So that being said, the broker you're going to be using is called Access Market, and the link to that broker is going to be in the description section. And once you tend to fund at least $1,000, you're going to as well, get an extra 50% bonus credited to you. But let's say you don't have $1,000, at least you can start with the standard account of $10 at most to start trading, because right now I will walk you through on the journey I'm currently on, flipping $6 to $50,000. So let's say right now you don't have an Access Market. I made a detailed video on this particular channel on how you can also create an Access Market connected to that of MT5. So all you have to do is to come to my channel, and if you want, basically I really don't have more subscribers, scroll all the way down. When you scroll the way down, you will see the two videos right here: how to connect Access Market broker to MetaTrader 5. And this is video because I don't want this particular video to be so long. I want a scenario where you watch this video to the end and you implement immediately. So after you've connected your Access Market, the next one is how to create and fund your Access Market. And this video is straightforward from A to Z. So now you've catch up that. Maybe after watching this video, you watch this particular one, then you come back and also take action. So the next one we'll do right now is to go ahead and use the Trading View and look for pairs to trade and then trade. So I'm going to use the account which I currently have money on, and this is this. I have at least a few bucks right now, and you can see basically now, let's say I want to enter a trade, or I want to trade any particular pairs, right? I have ETH USD, I have GBP AUD, GBP AUD, GBP NZD, and these are trade which are as well, holding and expecting profit on, right? Now all you want to do for you to analyze and for you to look for pair to trade, you will need a Trading View. So all we want to do right now is to go to the Trading View. So mind you, you've already downloaded it, and if it's your first time to access Trading View, it's going to be empty. Just a few currency pair going to be on the home page. So all you want to do to add pairs, to click on this plus icon and then search for any pair. Let's say you search for XAUUSD, for example. So you're going to see what happened right here. You're going to see it. So all you want to do right there, you just click on the plus icon. Boom, you've added it to your watch list, which is right here. Is that easy, right? And anytime you want to trade XAUSD, you could just click on it and then click on trade, and you click on skip because you're still on using the free plan, and then you cancel this and also analyze. Now let's say you want to analyze. Let me use this XAUSD to analyze. Now you want to also understand market structure, you want to understand advanced market structure, you want to understand liquidity order block, right? And I'm talking about all this stuff. I've made a detailed video how to as well understand market structure for beginners from A to Z. I as well broke down market structure in such a way that even if you're 5 years old watching this video, you can also understand what market structure is, what liquidity is, and what even order block is. So go to the channel and you're going to see. But other than that, what I'm also going to show you right now, if you implement the same strategy, it's still also the same thing, but a fast strategy you can use to place a trade real quick and right now. So this is XAUUSD, and if you watch basically right now is on 1 hour. So if you watch right here, this is showing 1 hour. All you have to do is to click on 1 hour, and then you scroll the way down and choose forward. So don't worry if you don't understand how Trading View is, just watch closely, pay close attention, right? Because at the end of this video, I'm still going to make another video how to use Trading View very well, so that you can know how to add your trend lines, how to add your position, long position, short position to this form, right? I'm going to make a video for that, right? But right now, just watch what strategy you're going to be using to actually be making money, the way I'm making money, and the way I want to as well flip $6 to $50,000. And I believe on that. My psychology is well placed. My mindset is so placed and so ready. It's just a slow motion better than no motion, right? Now with that said, I already see what is happening right here on XAUSD. So what is this telling me? If you watch right now, if I get to get this my stuff from this zone right here, XAUSD went to this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, just like that, right? So, and all these are like trend lines. So if you watch, basically XAUSD is giving us a bullish trend. Now you understand what a bullish trend is when something is on higher high, higher low, knowing that is going upside is on a bullish trend. But when the chart, you're looking at the chart on a wider time frame, because that's what you want to do first, is going below, that shows that that chart is going on a bearish form, right? Then most of the times you want to look for a sell setup, right? But right now this market is still going on a bullish trend. What I will look for is a buy setup, right? Now, how to do that? First, now you have already look out for wider time frame. Then all you want to do is to then niche down to at least 1 hour or 30 minutes, but 1 hour is best. Do not use 30 minutes. 30 minutes is basically and literally noise, and trust me, I've taken a lot of losses on 30 minutes. So it's best you use 1 hour, because whenever trade setup you have on 1 hour, most likely we must align, not even most likely, must align with our 4 hours, right? Using this strategy I want to show you, right? So all I want to do right now, I'm going to make this up, and then I'm going to come right here and then look for something really cool, which is a setup. So first and first, you've watched my video on market structure. You want to look out for the break of structure. You want to look out for another low. You want to look out for another break of structure. And you want to look out for another low, and then you buy from the second break of structure low. Now, which is to say, I could call it an ABC model, right? All you have to do, and if you don't see the ABC model, you just leave it and relax. Do not frustrate. Do not do anything fishy. If not, you're going to lose your money, right? All you want to do right now, let's say you want to look for a setup right on that of gold. Like I can watch, basically I'm seeing a setup on gold. All I have to do basically is, first and first, I will look for my cursor. I'll just get a trend line, right? Let me just get this. So I'll come right here and see this is a low, right? And what happened after the low? I can see a break of structure right here, right? Now a break of structure means, now for each time, like let's say for each time this come this way, and then let's say take out this particular high, is called a break of structure. That is what break of structure is in market structure. Now once it come down again under low and take out this high, is called another break of structure, right? So that is it. Now the next thing we want to do, we're going to anticipate markets to like come down to this particular break of structure right here, right? Come back right here, and then we buy to the upside. Is that easy? Trust me, this is a strategy I've been using lately and is working like fine. I'm giving you guys this update because you guys are my family. I love you guys. You guys have been following me from my other channel to this point. I try like testing out different waters to also make money, and trust me, this strategy works. And make sure it breaks two structure. You must make sure it's giving you an A shape or a V shape if it's on a sell right now. So all we want to do right now is to see that gold is coming to our zone, right? And once it tap into this zone, next thing we want to do is to enter from this zone. Let's say I get this, put this right here. Let me get this, put this right here, right? Take it down, and then we'll break it to this high. Easy peasy, right? So this is what your setup gonna look like. And trust me, if you got to this kind of setup, you just have to wait. Then once you come to this zone, you buy or you put a limit order. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to put a limit order, and also I'm going to show you how to trade immediately. So we've gotten a setup right now, and this is how you're going to put a limit order on gold. So what is the order right here? So I'm going to look right here that the stop loss gonna be 3284.380. I'm going to come on my MT5, which you can see basically. All right, on my MT5, all I have to do is to then come to the quotes, right? This is quotes. Click on quotes and then search on XAUUSD, right? So I'm literally like walking you guys through how you can start immediately and take a trade immediately, right? Now this is SAUSD. So most of the time, if it's your first time searching on it, this will not be checked. So all you have to do is to check on it so it will be at your quote, right? I'm going to cancel, then scroll the way and come right here to look for it. So it's down below. Click on XAUSD. Then now instead of charts, you can click on trade. So whichever way. So you can click on charts and then you either trade up from here, or if you come back to the quotes, you click on that of XAUSD, then you click on trade, right? Then because we are waiting for SSUSD to come to our POI, which is point of interest, you can call it, all you have to do is to just come to where it says market execution, and then you choose buy limit, right? Click on buy limit, and then the next you want to do is to enter the price you want it to trigger from. Now this stuff you're seeing right here is called leverage, right? You can call it leverage, but in forex they call it lot size, right? So the higher the lot size, the more money you make, and also the more money you're going to lose. So if you're using a $10 account, at least when I started with my $6 account, I was using 0.01, right? 0.01 I was using on that, right? And let's say on 0.01 you want to enter this particular trade, or 0.02, but at least 0.0102 if you're using a $6 account, you're going to come back right here. So we're entering at exact 3,312.156. I'm going to come right here to the price and change it 3,312.156. That is where we want it to trigger 15 either, right? Then the stop loss, we're going to come right here and say the stop loss is going to be 3,283.172. 3,283.17, right? And then the take profit, we're going to choose at this first breakout, let it just be 1:1. Don't be too greedy, just you get in and get out strategy. This is how it works. 3,440.7, 3,440.7, right? All right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on place. But if I click on place, because I want to take this trade, I'm going to change it from 0.2 to 0.2, right? Then I'm going to click on place. Boom. Now you're going to be on my buy limit, and if I go to the chart, you're going to see what the trade is right here. So whenever it triggers, you can see my stop loss, and you can see that I could make over $2,000. And you want to know that BTC, which is XAUSD, is very volatile and it has high leverage when you're trading it, right? So this is how it is. And if you want to close it, all you have to do is to come, delete, and confirm you've deleted the trade. Now let's say you want to enter a trade on current market price. Now this is GBP NZD. I have a setup on it, which is what I just entered, and GBP NZD is this. And then let's look at it again. This is on a 1 hour time frame. Already got it like already right here. Let me show you guys stuff so you can see. This was my low, right? Let me break it. This was my low, and right here was the first break of structure, another low which you're seeing right here. And what happened, it broke this structure which you're seeing and making it the second low, and then it came exactly to this zone. And what happened, I took the trade, right? And that is how it is. And let's say I want to enter this trade, and let's say it has hit your POI and you want to place a trade like this on current market price. So our stop loss right here is going to be 2.22. I'm going to come right here. Let's say, let me just choose on it, click on trade, right? And then let's say I'm using 0.2, and then the next thing I want to do is to put stop loss where it is 2.22376. 22376. Take profit, I'm going to say 2.27415. 2.27415, right? And that's it. And if I'm buying, I'll just click on buy. If I'm selling, I'll just click on sell. Is that easy, right? So that's how this is, right? So if I click on buy, so I don't have enough money, that's why the buy didn't execute. So let's say I use this to 0.05 and buy, boom, it will place, right? And if you watch right here, you're going to see that the order has been placed. And if I click on chart right here, you see the trade basically, and you can see my TP right here on the first trade, basically what it is, 0.02, and you can see what it is right there. So this is how you place trade with the MT5, right? Is that easy? So basically that is how you can trade forex. Now if you watch, basically I'm literally losing a lot of money, but you don't trade with your emotions, you just trade like a machine, right? You get, and right now you understand how to trade forex from A to Z. I promise at the beginning of this video I'm going to be giving out random people $10. So to get the $10 from me, all you want to do is to make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below you subscribe, and then come to my X account and right on my X account on this pin post right here, just come right here and then make sure you follow me first, and then you can comment down below if you enjoyed the video and also comment either your Bybit UID or your XT exchange UID in the comment section, and I'm going to pick randomly and fund you guys on this pin post. This is the pin post where I post the official channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and guys, make sure you follow me. Let's grow also on this Twitter page. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, all I want you to do is also like this video, because 80% of you on this particular channel, YouTube said you're not subscribing. So why not support me? I've gone to 130k before on my other channel, which I lost. So let's get to hit this to 100k before the end of the year 2025. And that being said, until I see you on my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and peace out.